Amelia and Sam. As you exchange vows, recall the force that brought you together. And as you move forward beyond today, give yourselves grace on the days it gets tough, because life will. But never let anything come between you.
Amelia, you are the water and sun that replenishes me when I'm down. You are the soil that has allowed our roots to grow. And you are the air that surrounds me. Because the thought of being without you makes me feel like I can't breathe. Simply put, you are my world.
Sam, your dedication is one of the many traits I love about you. You always carry the weight so I can move freely. You make my life calmer, lighter, and more joyful. And I can't wait to see where our lives takes us next, because I know we will co-create the best life imaginable.
By the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Damn, you may kiss your bride.
Feeling like an endless fight, just a worn out song. The world's spinning on, even in the darkest night, still you're the dawn.
I just wanted to say this is the most beautiful experience of my life, and I know that these two souls are united. They'll be together forever. They're going to make it.
Sunrise in our wild eyes, shadows burning fire.
So I'd like to end by proposing a toast to a very long, happy, healthy life filled with travel, good friends, good food, and warm gloves. To Sam and Amelia.